Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys kind of a new smoothie. Well, it may not be new to you guys, but a new smoothie that I'm going to try that'll hopefully have some helpful ingredients in there to help reduce anxiety and hopefully stress as well. So let's roll that intro and we'll get into it. So yeah, if you guys need any ideas on how to reduce your anxiety and stress, try out this smoothie recipe and let me know how it works for you and how you guys like it. Alright, so we are going to make the smoothie now. We're going to start with some blueberries. So in this video, I actually put 2 half cup full of blueberries. I just kind of used and pulled out my my half cup measuring cup. So you can use a full cup. So that's kind of what we're doing there. And then we're gonna do 1 banana, 1 frozen banana. And then we move on to some strawberries. So all these fruits that I am putting in this smoothie are all very good for reducing anxiety and stress. So that's kind of why I'm putting all these in one smoothie. Then next is some mango chunks. And then we move on to some nuts. So these ones are Brazil nuts. These are very good actually for anxiety. So I just put in about a handful of the Brazil nut. And then I put in a little bit of hemp hearts just because I'm not a huge fan of hemp hearts, but I added in there for, you know, some extra protein, extra nutrients. And then we put some chia seeds in. And I believe I put in about a teaspoon of those. And then I added in some maca. Yeah, it's about a teaspoon. Then I put in some camu, which is like a lot stronger than vitamin C. There's a lot more in this one. So yeah, if you're fighting any colds or anything, camu is really good to have. Then we move on to Happy Belly, which I believe I talked about in one of my other videos. And I just put in, I think, in this teaspoon as well. You can, I think it says on there, you can put about a teaspoon and a half, but just for this smoothie, I did about a teaspoon. Then we moved on to some collagen, and I already have a little measuring spoon in there, so I just used that. And I know it seems like there's a lot in this smoothie, but I swear it does taste good. And then we move on to spirulina, and I do about a teaspoon of that as well. And then we put in some almond butter. And again, just about a teaspoon. It can get really strong. I have tried putting in more and I literally could only taste the almond butter. So yeah, just put in a little bit. Then we do some lemon juice. I just squeeze a little bit in there. I don't really measure this one. And then we put in some almond milk, or sorry, oat milk. Sometimes I use almond, sometimes I use oat. And I put in about a half a cup, but usually it depends on how much fruit and vegetables I do put in my smoothies. So Usually I think I put in about a cup of each. So then we go on to coconut water. And yeah, like I said, normally it's 1 cup, but again, it depends on how much you have. Sometimes you have to add a little bit more liquid, depending on how much vegetables and fruit you have in your smoothie. And I believe here, once I start blending it, I do add a little bit more coconut water just because it was having trouble blending. And then there you have it. It does look purple, but believe me, it does taste good. You can also add in like some honey if you like. That's always really good to use. Yeah. I really like this smoothie because it does help me to reduce my anxiety and stress, and also like I feel a lot better when I'm putting healthy things inside my body as well. So yeah, if you guys need any ideas on how to reduce your anxiety and stress, try out this smoothie recipe and let me know how it works for you and how you guys like it. I hope you guys like this smoothie, and I hope that it like helps with your anxiety and stress. Don't expect like an instant change though. Like it will happen over time because you are putting good ingredients, good foods, good everything inside your body. So yeah, just give it time and it should help. Alright, so with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it at least a little bit helpful. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons down below, as well as the notification bell, because it does help my channel grow, and that way you don't miss a new video. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go to my photo shoot now, so remember, you are loved and appreciated. Bye.